I had this trade pop up. It looked like the algorithm had switched, and then I didn't let it confirm. I mean, I tried to. I waited for the countdown to go, and then I didn't wait for the next candle to open. I hit the button, and it didn't confirm. So I got into a trade I'm not supposed to be in. That's the only thing we have. If it confirms, we'll get permission. Volume is good for what we want to do. So I just put a stop in above this candle right here. So probably should have it actually just above. Yeah, that's all right. We'll just take it here, and we'll get stopped out. So I wanted to give it a little opportunity for it to become a trade, but we'll just get stopped out. And then if this becomes a trade, we'll get back in. It might not even become a trade. So unfortunately, I jumped into a trade that I should not have been in. Mistake made there. On my video of 60 to 70% win rate and what does that mean, I talk about that a little bit because you're gonna have mistakes like that every now and then. You'll slip up, you'll get in late, you'll get out, whatever it might be. Make a mistake like I just did just now, and that should be factored into your win-loss rate. So if you watch that video, you'll see that with like a 60 or 70% win rate, a mistake like this could actually set you back a couple weeks. So it's pretty interesting how the numbers actually work out when you crunch the numbers. So check it out. I'll have a link of it at the end of this video. Okay, for my students who may be watching, so this was there's nothing else I don't think it's going to set up today. So I'm going to head out after this. But this looks like it was going to be a setup, but it's not quite. We just barely got it, so didn't set up right. So we didn't take this trade. And then the other trade that I accidentally, I jumped the gun. I got a little excited. Pushed the button. So this trade here, right here, I put my stop above that red candle just to give it that opportunity to maybe continue this little movement here. Clearly didn't, and then rallied all the way back up, and then and then it came back down. But it just the algorithm didn't set up. We didn't get permission to make this trade. And the time expired from when I traded because before 12 o'clock I have a pretty high, like a 90% success rate. After that it goes down dramatically, so I don't trade it after that. So we clicked after 12, so no more on the board. So anyway, so yeah, I guess we're gonna take the day with a losing trade. There wasn't even supposed to be in it, so we'll have a 40-cent loser for today, 40-cent per share loser. So that's gonna close out our day. Hindsight, of course, I wish I would have just sold it as soon as I recognized I was in the wrong trade, and then I could have took like a 5-cent loser instead of giving up 40 cents. That was kind of stupid, but at the same time, the market was selling off, and we had this little pullback speed bump on its way down. It looked like to me it might continue that way. So, but that's how it goes. So anyway, red day Friday when it should have been a no trade Friday. But all right, everybody, have an awesome weekend, and we'll see you next week.